Today we're making a soft, moist chocolate cake that's light, fluffy and perfectly balanced in flavor. If you're looking for a reliable chocolate sponge cake that's perfect for layering, frosting and decorating, this one is for you. Begin by separating 4 eggs. Place the egg whites into a clean bowl and whisk until they become frothy. Gradually add 90 grams of sugar while continuing to whisk until stiff peaks form. This step creates the light, airy structure that gives the chocolate cake its soft texture. In a separate bowl, prepare the dry ingredients by mixing 80 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Set this mixture aside for later. Once the egg whites are fully whipped, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence along with the remaining egg yolks. Whisk quickly until everything is well incorporated. Next, add the dry flour mixture. Make sure there aren't any lumps. You can also use a sieve to sift it into the bowl. Gently whisk until it's all fully combined. If you're unsure about over whisking, switch to a spatula and carefully fold the mixture to keep the batter light and airy. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and bake the cake for around 30 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and allow the cake to cool halfway inside before removing it. This helps prevent the cake from collapsing and keeps it soft. After cooling, slice the cake horizontally into 3 even layers. To keep the cake moist, brush each layer with sugar water made by dissolving 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar in a quarter cup of warm water. Add your frosting, sprinkle some shaved dark chocolate. Stack the layers and repeat the process for each layer. Create a crumb coat by lightly frosting the entire cake and place it in the fridge to set. Once firm, apply the final layer of frosting and finish with your preferred decorations and chocolate shavings. And there you have it, a soft, moist, homemade chocolate cake that's perfect for any celebration or sweet craving. If you enjoyed this easy chocolate cake recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more baking tutorials, and share this with a fellow chocolate lover.